adjust your neck or something.
Why? What's wrong?
You're like gurgling.
I don't think it's me, Billy. I'm doing pretty good.
What?
I said, I don't think it's me. I'm doing pretty good here. I'm sitting straight and got everything I need right here in front of me. I do appreciate your concern, though. And if we can help you in any way in the future, please don't hesitate to reach out to us.
Billy. Cough.
Was that nice?
Mm-hmm.
Is that all you need?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, well, Eddie, thank you for your time and for being a customer. If I can help you in any way in the future, please don't hesitate to reach out to me, okay? Alright, thank you. Have a good Sunday. Have a good rest of your weekend.